Hi, everyone. Today, we're going to learn how to give a presentation in English.
Giving a presentation can feel a little scary, especially in a new language. But with the right tips and practice, you can do it confidently.
Absolutely. We'll walk you through every step, from preparation to delivery. By the end of this lesson, you'll know how to structure your presentation, use clear language, and handle questions from the audience. The first step is preparation. A good presentation starts with a clear purpose. Ask yourself, what is the main idea I want to share?
Right. Once you know your purpose, think about your audience. Are they students, professionals, or beginners? Tailor your content to match their needs.
Another key step is organizing your presentation. A simple structure works best. Introduction ***, start with a greeting and introduce your topic. Main body ***, present your ideas with examples and details. Conclusion ***, summarize and end with a call to action or a thank you.
And don't forget to prepare visual aids like slides or charts. Use simple language and avoid too much text on one slide.
That's a great point. Visuals should support your ideas, not distract from them.
Writing a script helps you stay focused during your presentation. Start with a strong opening. For example, you can say, "Good morning, everyone. Today, I'm here to talk about..."
Yes, and include a brief outline of your presentation. For example, first, I'll explain the problem. Then, I'll share some solutions.
In the main body, use simple sentences and clear transitions like next, then, or finally.
And when you write your conclusion, restate the main points and end with a polite expression, like, "Thank you for listening. I'd be happy to answer any questions."
A script is your guide, but remember not to read it word for word. Practice speaking naturally.
Practice makes perfect. Rehearse your presentation several times before the big day.
Practicing in front of a mirror can help you see your expressions and gestures. You can also record yourself to check your tone and pronunciation.
Another tip is to practice in front of friends or family. They can give you feedback on your delivery.
Don't forget to time your presentation. Make sure it fits within the allotted time and doesn't feel rushed.
And if you're using slides, practice changing them smoothly. This will help your presentation flow better.
On the day of the presentation, start with confidence. Stand straight, make eye contact, and smile.
A good greeting sets the tone. Say something like, "Hello, everyone. I'm very excited to share my ideas with you today."
Speak clearly and at a moderate pace. Avoid speaking too fast as it might confuse your audience.
And remember to pause between points. Pauses give your audience time to absorb the information.
If you forget something, don't panic. Take a deep breath and continue. It's okay to glance at your notes if needed.
At the end of your presentation, invite questions. For example, you can say, "Thank you. Do you have any questions?"
Listen carefully to each question. If you don't understand, it's okay to ask, "Could you repeat that, please?"
And if you don't know the answer, be honest. You can say, "That's a great question. I'll look into it and get back to you."
Always thank the person for their question. It shows respect and keeps the conversation positive.
Now, let's talk about some common mistakes. One mistake is memorizing your script word for word. It can make you sound robotic.
Another mistake is using overly complex language. Simple and clear language is more effective.
And don't overload your slides with too much information. Stick to key points.
Lastly, avoid ignoring your audience. Engage with them by making eye contact and asking questions.
Here are some useful phrases you can use. Starting ***, "Good morning, everyone. Let's get started." Transitioning ***, "Now, let's move on to the next point." Highlighting ***, "This is an important part to remember." Concluding ***, "In summary, we discussed."
These phrases will help you sound professional and organized.
Before we wrap up, here are some final tips. Arrive early to check the equipment and set up your materials. Take a few deep breaths to calm your nerves. Remember, mistakes are normal. Focus on your message, not perfection.
And most importantly, believe in yourself. You've worked hard and your audience wants to hear what you have to say.